has lived both in Tacloban and in Baras. Palo, di ba? Palo at Baras.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how is it living in Tacloban compared to Baras?
Well, apparently. Tacloban City is a beautiful place.
What do you love about Baras?
It's because nearby the sea.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Kay. So you have experience. Nakaukoy ka ha Tacloban ngan ha Baras.
Yes.
Ano difference? So what do you love about living in Baras?
Sure. Happy ya kay Harani ka park. Pero makaradlok ya kay Harani ka sa dagat.
Ha, because han imo experience han Yolanda.
Yolanda.
Nare-remind ka.
Mao pa di ha MacArthur Park. I enjoy.
How about Tacloban?
Sa Tacloban, ma-open man kay Harani ka mga malls, stores, like that.
Convenient.
Yes.
Tas sarani mo school.
Yes.
Kanina ha church kay nag-CR man hi Dirk.
Oh.
Sa maringya, ay, tutduhay mo ito. Hi, Dirk. Kamusta ang Santa Cruzan?
Good.
Good.
Popcorn here.
Dirk, it's popcorn!
It's Peppa Pig. It's so windy.
Ah, Peppa Pig. Yeah, you love Peppa Pig.
Big. You will eat Peppa Pig? No. Let's go back. Ito na ito. Lusot na ito.
Ano?
Lumos na ito. Let's go back. Oop.
Papasula talaga. Grace. Walk lang ako ng walk. Walking, walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Now let's stop. Yay. So you feel safe because there's a lot of policemen around, so really feel safe. And so far, I haven't seen anyone smoke around here, so I'm glad if that's really the case or the rules here. Like, if this is a non-smoking area since it's public, wow, thank you. Thank you, Lord. And it's supposed to be non-smoking naman talaga. Kasi nga, it's a place where families go. So families here, look, and there's a lot of kids. So definitely, dapat wala talagang nagsusmoke. This place also, guys, is actually one of the most popular places for prenups because this place is syempre libre, it's a public area. So, madaming nagpi-prenup dito. Prenup or postnup. Kasi look at that. This place is really nice naman talaga. It has a nice view. Mayroon ka pang ocean view at the back. Very, very nice. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. I really love family time. Family time is the best time. Hi, vlog.
Sam, 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 come here.
Thanks for nothing.
Hi.
May kakay.
Basta ka bata.
Thank you.
Lalagyan na ano.
Ayaw na din.
Okay na ito for community.
Malawa kami. That's the process.
Soccer ball ka rin.
Hi.
You want it long or short?
Shadadadam. Shadadadam. Hello guys. Mabay kami snack. Is street food. Yeah.
Padlukon. Ayan. Okay. So, daw may coffee. Next coffee.
Bring with it.
Damo man yan. Damo choices. Casey got fish balls? Yes. Fish balls, no? Imoy ko.
That's siomai. Dynamite.
Kikiam. 100. Tatawid kami. Kasi meron pa dito. More food options. Yes, meron. Vietnamese coffee. Ito naman yung ini corn dog. Yummy? Sulit. Tagpera? 35. 35.
Mamalakad ako na.
Japanese. You want to try takoyaki? Ano, ka mahilig.